girl, Cat. And of course, I am your go-to #1 business entrepreneur. If you are looking for ways to funnel your business, to improve your business, and to grow and to expand, you are at the right place. Let's get into it. So, people always ask me about how can they get more money for their businesses. This one's for you. I'm just going to go down the list. I will tag the companies below. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also if you want to ding, 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 ring the bell so you can get alerts on the newest videos that I post. As you can see, I am in my workspace where we are building. I can't wait till the final product is done. It has been a long journey, and I can't wait to share that with you guys because it has not been easy at all. But let's get into this money because that's what I know that you want to know. So, first, it's called Kiva. Now, I may not be saying it right, so I'm going to spell it Kiva. Kiva? I don't know. But what I do know, you can get loans up to $15,000. This is perfect for new businesses. You don't have to put any money up, 0 fees, and it's there. Okay. The next one is Accon. So it's ACCION. Now this is up to $250,000, guys. Now the terms is 5 years, right? And they also, it's an awesome program for people who, a lot of times you need training or mentorship. This is for you because they have an awesome training program that throughout your way, you have mentorship. Tired. Oh, God. All right. So Grameen America, that's GRAMEEN. Now, this is awesome for women entrepreneurs. Women, this is for you. So this is what they specialize in. You can get up to 15,000. However, this is only in 15 cities. Sorry that that's going off. So, you know, you have to see if you are in the 15 cities, right? All right. Next, of course, the SBA giving out that money. That money. Right now, you know, because of COVID-19, you still are able to be under that. So the businesses who you didn't fall under COVID-19, you could just apply regular. They have regular loans, right? So you want to do that. Now, I am going to say that things are very stringent other than COVID-19 funding, right? So now it's a great time for you to apply because they're not. Next, Smart Biz is another one. Smart and then B-I-Z. Check them out. Now, a great opportunity for minority business owners. Yes. Okay, so you need to look up Minority Business Development Agency. This is a great place to start to get resources as well as link up to people who are like-minded, like you. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Next. Oh, some bomb ginger tea today. Woo, honey. Cayenne pepper and what's ginger? Now, so I never thought about putting it in some other spice. Okay, back to business. Then we have National Black MBA association. M as in minority, B as in business, and A as association. Okay, you may want to join that. Of course, we always have grants.gov, right? And we also have local grants. People forget about your local grants. You'll probably be, more susceptible in getting local grants because you're not fighting with hundreds of thousands of people for the one grant. And you get help. So on your local level, you're more privy to people knowing about you and your business. Okay, so join the National Black Business Council. That's important. Participate, be a part of it. And so one thing I've learned is that if you are more visible with your business and not always trying to sell people stuff, but if you're a part of a council or if you are more active in the community, people will be like, well, what do you do? Boom! Free marketing, free advertisement. And you pay nothing for it. It's just word of mouth. Now, you do need to work on your elevator pitch, baby. And I don't know if you can see, but as you can see, you're your own billboard. Right. This me walking around all day like this. People like, what is that? What is that? Go Google it. Google it, baby. Go ahead, baby. But seriously, you're your own billboard. And so just think about it. You're walking around all day. Boom. Right? Even with fashion, people like, oh, what is it you got on? You're like, oh, this is nice and fine, baby. Anywho, thanks for joining. I know this is quick, but I just wanted to drop you a couple of jewels, put it out there, sprinkle it, and make it look like sugar, baby. Peace, love, and blessings. Know that you are the best and better than the rest because you was made by nothing less but God. Love you guys.